On this problem, it's asking you to find a sub 17. So you need to be able to understand what does a sub 17 mean. That means that you need to be able to find the 17th number. So this is the first number, second number, third number, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. So I need to find the 17th number. Now to be able to find the 17th number, if you want to be able to do it by hand and say, oh, well, I know that it's increasing by 7. And the next one's increasing by 7. And you want to say, well, if I increase it by 7, the next number will be 25. And the next number, plus 7, gives me 32. Plus 7 will give me 39. Plus 7 will give me 46. And you just want to be able to continue and so on until you get to the 17th number. Then, since this is a multiple choice, that will give you full points. But for our sake, we are going to use the formula. Now, I'm looking for the 17th number. Now, to be able to find the 17th number, I need to be able to find the equation first. And if you notice, this is increasing by 7 every single time. So this is an arithmetic sequence. So I'm going to use my arithmetic sequence n term. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the difference multiplied by n minus 1. And now I'm just going to plug in the information. We have a sub 1 is your first number, and in this case your first number will be 4. So we have a sub n is equal to, instead of a sub 1 will be 4. Now your difference, in this case we determined that that was 7, so it'll be plus 7. And we're going to leave everything else the same because we're trying to find the equation first, minus 1. Now we're going to simplify. We're going to use the distributive property to simplify. So it gives us a sub n is equal to 4. 7 times n will give us a positive 7n. And 7 times 1 will give us a negative 7. We are going to combine our like terms. So I'll combine my 4 and my negative 7. That will give me a sub n is equal to, first your variable, so it'll be 7n minus 3. So therefore we found our nth term. We found an equation that can give us any number in the sequence. Now remember that if you want to double check and make sure that you got it correct, you can just plug in a 1 and see if it gives you, so I'm going to plug in a 1 and see if it gives you a 4. Plug in a 2, see if it gives you an 11. Plug in a 3, see if it gives you a 18. So if I plug in a 1, that should give me a 4, which it does. Plug in a 2, gives us a 14 minus 3 will give us 11. And to find the answer, I need to plug in a 17. So that'll be a sub 17 is equal to 7. Instead of the n, I'm going to plug in a 17 and then minus 3. 7 times 17, just multiply it out and just be careful. 7 times 7 will be 49 and we carry 4. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 4 will give me 11. Then minus 3. So the 17th number will be 116. And that should be your answer. In this case, your answer will be letter B.